Hazrat Anas radiallahu anhu says, on the day of the battle of Hunain, the Hawazin completed. There were 10,000 mujahideen combatants and some neophytes along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the Hawazin showed their backs at that time. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the group of Ansar. They replied, we are present. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, be pleased. We are present and right before you. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted and said, I am the bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle. So the infidels faced defeat. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted the neophytes and the emigrants booty, but did not give the Ansar anything. Thereupon they passed some remarks. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for them, and when they entered a round tent, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, aren't you pleased that the other people may go taking goats and camels along with them, and you taking Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, if the other people trade in a valley while the Ansar through a pass, I will choose the pass of the Ansar. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4333.